This is a beautiful must-see home on a pond lot in the desirable Carroll School District. With 5 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, this home is not short for space. Walk through the entryway and into the living room that boasts a vaulted ceiling, fireplace, and tall windows that pour natural light inside. The eat-in kitchen has gorgeous cabinets, an island with a breakfast bar, and a dining area with plenty of space to gather. The main level also has a formal dining room and the master bedroom. The master bedroom has a large ensuite bathroom with Jack and Jill vanities, a jetted tub, and a stand-up shower. The 3 bedrooms upstairs are great size with ample closet space. And on the lower level, the daylight windows let sunshine inside and offers plenty of living and entertainment space. Plenty of storage can be found in this home, including inside of the 3-car garage. Enjoy evenings on the deck with a nice view of the water and the large backyard. Don't hesitate to see this one before it's too late. Call Don Remchisel to fall in love with this home today.